Okay, I'm doing a little key cutting. This is going to be a tr47 key blank, Toyota key blank, but it's for a Pontiac 2006 Vibe, non-computer chip key. And we're just going to go, we're on vehicles right now. We're going to go over here. We'll go over to Toyota.
We have no further details to share. You get no explanation for his firing.
Toyota.
You won't talk about it. You won't answer questions out of respect for his privacy. And there's no allegations of any sexual misconduct on his part. Well, that's the funny.
So this is a
evidence of anything yet. There's nothing that we know.
This is going to be a TOY43, which is a silica number.
One person in the media.
And there is, of course, there are two 43s in here. We'll just try the first one. We want to cut a key, and our numbers are 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4. So 3, 4. Okay. I squeezed them in there. Alright. So basically, go over what I did is the customer called us up with a VIN number. We cross-referenced the VIN number to the key code, which is here. I looked up the key codes in my generic code software and got the key cuts, which is here. I'm entering in the key cuts into the machine under TOY43, which is the silica number right here. Okay. Now we're going to hit enter. Position. Yep. Now I could run this machine at a faster speed. This is a medium speed, and then there's a fast speed and a slow speed. I run it at the medium speed. It makes the cutters last a little bit longer. You could run it at a faster speed, but your cutters won't last as long. Now, the story with this key is the customer already picked one of these up from the dealer and had them cut it by code, but it didn't work. So I called the dealer, I got the codes from them off the VIN number, and I'm thinking maybe they didn't have their machine set up right or the machine's off. So I had the customer drop off the key right here that they cut by code. And this is the key I just cut by code. Which they look pretty close, but I'm going to mic it out. I know on these Toyota keys they have to be right on. I've had them before where I've duplicated them and they've worked in the door but not the ignition of the car. So I know they're a touchy key. So hopefully that's the problem. If it's not, the dealer has the wrong codes on file, and then I'll have to use my Lishi tool and decode the door. But anyways, that is cutting the Toyota key on the Miracle A7, and this is just an awesome machine. Alright, signing off.